Hi, this is Aaron, and this is Case Study 1 of Vitamins and Minerals. So let's meet Brandon. He's a 45-year-old married male who is active 5 days a week. His favorite activities include going to the gym, bicycling, and playing tennis. He's 5 feet 10 inches tall and 175 pounds, which is considered a slightly overweight BMI. He and his wife consume nutrient-dense meals with a variety of proteins, grains, dairy, fruit, and vegetables. They average 3 meals and 1 snack per day. Brandon is a non-smoker and a non-drinker. He takes no supplements, and he has an annual healthy physical and lab work results per his doctor. Unfortunately, Brandon's wife suddenly died in an automobile accident 4 months ago. Because of the accident, Brandon is depressed about his wife's death and begins consuming alcohol every evening. He also no longer exercises or consumes nutritious meals regularly. He now averages an exercise regimen of 1 to 2 times a week and normally eats just 1 meal a day with lots of snacking in between. Brandon now sees a therapist for a family member's recommendation, and the therapist recommends that he sees a doctor and nutrition professional based on some of his observations of Brandon during the therapy sessions. Some symptoms that the doctor observed during the appointment for Brandon included pale skin, fatigue, glossitis, mood changes, stomach pain, loss of appetite, unexpected weight loss, and upon further testing, the doctor also found stomach ulcers and iron deficiency anemia. Questions. Based on the symptoms seen in the doctor's office, what medical diagnosis does the doctor suspect and why? What vitamin deficiencies may Brandon have based on the doctor's findings? Lastly, as a nutrition professional, what recommendations do you have for Brandon? Thank you, and I look forward to your answers.